there are always practices on the market. We see a number coming to market, and we have our own resales that come on the market on a regular basis as well for various reasons, mostly retirement based. But one opportunity is not the same as the next. The first question to ask is always, what are you actually buying? Because it can be very different. It could be it's a feebank. It's effectively an asset sale. So you're buying a known ring-fenced group of clients as an asset. It's a relatively simple transaction. It still needs careful planning, it needs legal advice, and it needs funding. But you're buying an asset and it's easily definable. More commonly, you're buying a business. Now that business could be a sole trade or a partnership, in which case it's an asset sale, but generally speaking, it's a limited company. And if you're buying a limited company, you're not just buying an asset, you're buying a collection of assets, you're buying a collection of liabilities, and you're also buying what I would consider potential contingent liabilities, i.e. things that are not on the balance sheet. And accountants out there will understand what I mean by that. It's a question of what you can and can't see. So if you're buying a limited company, that's where careful planning is absolutely needed. You need to understand exactly what you're buying, assets and liabilities. You need to understand the balance sheet position, the net asset position at the point you're completing. Are you buying cash or are you actually buying liabilities? And you need to have protection around what's not there. There could be employment claims, there could be client claims, there could be a number of things that happen post-transaction that will impact the company as a separate legal entity. So there is a need for a layer of protection in any agreement to make sure you understand what you're buying and have protection should something happen when it's in your ownership. Part of our role is to advise in that situation through lawyers and through our own input to make sure there are layers of protection in an agreement to cover off those aspects of buying a company as opposed to just buying an asset.